सात गानी के बाद आएगा शोएब अख्तर।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Saad Ghani. I wish all very happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January, the Republic Day of our country. This just national festival of our country. This just continuation come into flight 26 January 1950. Republic Day is important to us and Independence Day. Supreme Law continuation come into flight 26 January 1950. The largest written constitution in the whole world, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, is the father of our constitution. Today we are a great republic, means a country, house leader, a president, not a king, work in this or not a festival. If our freedom fighter had not made ruinous sacrifice for the independence of the country, I am dead. I am plural that I am Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
वालेकुम सलाम।